How to buy Bitcoin with my Trust Wallet. If you want to buy Bitcoin with your Trust Wallet, all you have to do is simply open up the Trust Wallet application and make sure to log into your Trust Wallet account. Then once you've done that, over here you will see this interface where under the main wallet tab, you'll basically find buy, or you can directly select BTC from here and then just tap on the buy option next to BTC. Now over here, enter the dollars worth of Bitcoin you want to buy. For 150 USD, you will get 0.0024 BTC here. Now once you've done this, you want to simply select buy option. Now you can choose a payment method like a credit card or Google Pay or Apple Pay or bank transfer, depending upon what you want to do, and the provider. Tap on the buy option to buy it. This way you'll be able to buy Bitcoin with your Trust Wallet. Hope this video was very helpful. If you have got any more questions, queries or doubts, feel free to also leave them down in the comment section below. Thank you very much for watching till the end of this tutorial, and as always, see you soon in our next video.